Did you know that by 2025, the global AI market is expected to reach a staggering $60 billion? A fascinating figure, isn't it? Well, it's just a glimpse of the explosive growth we are witnessing in the realm of artificial intelligence. This advanced technology is not just about robots taking over human jobs, it's about harnessing its potential to revolutionize various industries, from healthcare, where it can predict diseases before they occur, to the automotive industry, where it can drive cars safely without human intervention. The increasing interest in AI technology isn't surprising. It's become a core component of the digital age we live in today. It's in the apps we use, the smart devices in our homes, even in the way we shop online. Understanding AI and its potential is not just relevant, it's crucial. With AI permeating every aspect of our lives, it's high time we delve into this fascinating world. Consider the case of AlphaGo, an AI program that outsmarted the world champion Go player in 2016. This feat was not just a product of programming and algorithms, but a testament to the profound capabilities of artificial intelligence. AlphaGo, developed by DeepMind, a subsidiary of Alphabet Inc., was designed to play Go, an ancient Chinese board game known for its complexity and strategic depth. The number of possible moves in Go is so vast that it outnumbers the atoms in the observable universe. This makes the game a perfect playground for artificial intelligence, where traditional computing and brute force methods simply don't cut it. To take on this challenge, AlphaGo was equipped with two deep neural networks. The first, known as the policy network, was trained on millions of games played by human experts. It learned to predict their moves, developing an understanding of strategies and tactics. The second network, the value network, was trained to evaluate the game positions, determining the likelihood of winning from each position. AlphaGo didn't just mimic human moves. It learned to innovate, crafting strategies that astonished even the most seasoned Go players. In its historic match against Lee Sedol, the reigning world champion in 2016, AlphaGo made a move that was initially considered a mistake by human observers. But as the game unfolded, it became clear that this was a masterstroke, a move that no human player had considered. AlphaGo went on to win the match 4-1, signaling a watershed moment in the realm of artificial intelligence. This remarkable accomplishment emphasized the power of machine learning and data processing. It showcased how AI can not only learn from human knowledge but also innovate beyond human understanding. The AlphaGo story serves as a case study, demonstrating that AI can excel in areas once thought to be the exclusive domain of human intelligence. AlphaGo's victory underscores the limitless potential of AI, a force that's reshaping our world. These advancements in AI are not confined to board games. They are being applied across various fields, from healthcare to finance, from education to climate change, heralding a new era of innovation and discovery. Scene script. AI isn't just about beating humans at board games, it's already enhancing our daily lives in countless ways. Let's dive into the practical applications of AI that are interwoven into our everyday lives. The AI-powered technologies we interact with daily might surprise you. Firstly, let's talk about virtual assistants. Siri, Alexa, Google Assistant, they all use AI to understand and respond to our commands. They can play your favorite music, set reminders, answer questions, and even tell jokes, all thanks to artificial intelligence. AI interprets your voice commands, processes the information, and generates a response in a matter of seconds. It's like having a personal assistant in your pocket. Next, let's consider recommendation systems. Ever wondered how Netflix knows exactly what you'd love to watch next? Or how Amazon seems to predict what you need before you even realize it? It's all thanks to AI. These platforms use machine learning algorithms to analyze your browsing and purchase history, then make predictions about what you might like or need. Whether it's a new book, a pair of shoes, or a movie for your Friday night in, AI is behind it all, tailoring your digital experience to your unique tastes. Then there are self-driving cars. These vehicles use AI to navigate, avoid obstacles, and even make decisions like a human driver would. They use a variety of sensors to gather data about their surroundings, then AI processes this data in real time to make driving decisions. While still in development, these cars show the incredible potential of AI. And these are just a few examples. There are countless other ways AI is enhancing our lives, from personalized advertising to health monitoring, to even predicting natural disasters. AI is everywhere, even if we don't always realize it. From your phone's voice assistant to the recommended movies on your streaming app, AI is silently making your life easier. With AI, the future isn't a distant reality, it's here and now. Let's take a moment to gaze into the crystal ball of artificial intelligence. Let's imagine a world where AI is not just a tool, but an integral part of our daily lives. A world where AI not only solves complex problems but also opens up a universe of opportunities. Envision healthcare, where AI can predict diseases even before symptoms appear. Imagine AI algorithms analyzing our genetic makeup, our lifestyle habits and medical history, and then alerting us about potential health risks. It's like having a personal doctor on call 24/7, working tirelessly to keep us healthy. Now let's consider education. AI can revolutionize the way we learn. It can offer personalized learning paths, adapt to our pace, identify our strengths and weaknesses, and provide real-time feedback. The result? A learning experience tailored to each of us, ensuring no one is left behind. But AI's potential doesn't stop there. It can also play a crucial role in combating climate change. It can analyze vast amounts of climate data, predict future trends, and help us devise effective strategies. It can monitor deforestation, track carbon emissions, and even propose sustainable alternatives. And let's not forget space exploration. AI can help us unravel the mysteries of the universe. It can analyze the data from telescopes and satellites, detect patterns, and predict celestial events. It could even assist in finding habitable planets and pave the way for interstellar travel. So, you see, the applications of AI are as vast as our imaginations. It's like an invisible force, silently working in the background, making our lives better in ways we never thought possible. It's a catalyst for change, a beacon of hope, and a promise of a brighter future. But remember, these are not just fanciful dreams of a distant future. AI is already making strides in these areas. It's here, now, reshaping our world, one algorithm at a time. So, the next time you hear about AI, don't think of it as a distant future. It's already shaping our present and holds the key to our future. Embracing AI isn't just for techies or businesses, it's for everyone. And that includes you too. You may be wondering, how can I, a beginner, get involved with AI? The answer is simpler than you might think. It all starts with curiosity and a desire to learn. AI is a vast field, and there are countless resources available to help you navigate it. Consider enrolling in an online course. Today, numerous platforms offer courses on AI, ranging from beginner to advanced levels. Websites like Coursera, Udemy, or Khan Academy are teeming with engaging and informative courses. So, whether you're a student seeking to supplement your studies, a professional looking to upskill, or simply an inquisitive mind, there's something for everyone. Books are another fantastic resource. Titles like Artificial Intelligence, A Modern Approach by Stuart Russell and Peter Norvig, or Life 3.0, Being Human in the Age of Artificial Intelligence by Max Tegmark, provide comprehensive insights into the world of AI. These books are not just about algorithms and code, they delve into the broader implications of AI, exploring its societal, ethical, and philosophical aspects. Podcasts, too, are a great way to learn on the go. Tune into shows like AI Today or the AI Alignment Podcast for thought-provoking discussions about the latest developments in AI. These podcasts feature interviews with industry leaders, researchers, and thinkers, offering you a chance to hear diverse perspectives on AI. Beyond learning, consider how you can apply AI in your own life. Perhaps you're a small business owner. AI could help you streamline operations, improve customer service, or make data-driven decisions. Or maybe you're an educator. AI can enhance the learning experience, offering personalized instruction and interactive learning tools. Even as an artist, you can use AI to push the boundaries of creativity, creating art that evolves and interacts. The potential applications of AI are limitless. From healthcare to entertainment, from finance to agriculture, AI is transforming every sector. And you can be part of this transformation. Start a project, join a community, contribute to an open-source project, or simply start a conversation about AI. Every step, no matter how small, brings us closer to a future where AI is seamlessly integrated into our lives. Remember, AI isn't some distant, inaccessible technology. It's here now in our smartphones, our cars, our homes. It's in the recommendations we receive, the photos we take, the way we communicate and connect. AI is reshaping our world, and we all have a role to play in this process. So why wait? Dive into the fascinating world of AI. It's not just about understanding technology, it's about shaping our future.